Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Jamal from Blessed Investments. Thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing another review of a off-brand Apple Pencil. It's kind of like another stylus, active stylus that you can use on your iPad. So let's get into it. So this one is called the Rena pencil or Rena pencil. I'm not sure how it's pronounced, but this is it. So basically this is an active stylus for the iPad. It's supposed to be a budget friendly Apple Pencil for those who don't want to spend, you know, almost $150 or more on the Apple Pencil 2 and just want a good stylus. And this stylus, you know, it's an active stylus. It works. It does its thing. What it features is it has tilt sensitivity, but only until 30 degrees. Like the angle of 30 degrees. If you go past that, then it starts to not function properly or get choppy. So as you can see, like there's some parts where it becomes choppy like that, and it doesn't register. And that's because the tilt function only works at a maximum of 30 degrees. And that's basically it. It doesn't have any pressure sensitivity. It doesn't have anything like that. It's just an active stylus with a little bit of tilt functionality. So how the tilt functionality works for those who are not familiar with these kind of pens is like basically when you're using a pencil, you write like this, it's going to be sharp, straight lines. And then if you write on the side, it's going to be like softer, more shady lines and thicker lines as well. And that's kind of what the tilt functionality is for these type of pens. So I'm going to just draw some lines, show you. And then here's some with the tilt function. Honestly, it looks pretty identical, so I'm not really sure if the tilt function actually works properly like it's supposed to. In my wife's usage, she said that it doesn't really work in Procreate. And right now here I'm looking and I can't really tell if there's a difference, to be honest, in what's happening based on how I'm holding the pen or turning it and tilting it. So yeah, but as far as like just drawing and using it as a pencil, a pen, a note-taking tool, it feels pretty fine. Like the build quality is nice. Holding it feels nice. It's an aluminum body. The tip is not too rough. It's not gonna damage your screen. And yeah, there's not too much lag. Like it's definitely a usable device for sure, a usable tool. And it doesn't feel bad when you're using it, you know, like if you're a student who needs a budget pen to take notes and things like that, or even just a beginning artist, this is not a bad option for you. Like it's pretty solid. It has a long battery life, I think around like 20 something hours off of one charge, and it doesn't take long to charge it. It charges by micro USB, which is not a plus, like should be USB-C to be honest, but it's all good. One bonus I like about this pen that a lot of the other Apple Pencil budget friendly options don't have is that it sticks to the top of the iPad like that, kind of like the real Apple Pen. And I think that's really cool. Oops. I think that's really cool how it you know, just snaps on. That's a really nice option to have, and it helps you to not lose the pencil. So yeah, you have to press this button right here in order to turn it on. And when the light is on, that's how you know it's on. And then when it's off, and then it doesn't work, as you can see. So yeah, you got to make sure that this is charged and the button is pressed in order for it to work. I mean, that's basically it. This is the Rena pencil. If you're somebody who wants to do more, like my wife, then an Apple Pencil is probably your best bet. But if you're somebody who's on a budget but needs something decent to take notes, to draw, to do whatever you want to do with an Apple Pencil, then you can use this. It still works with like the basic gestures, like, you know, you can write to search things in the search bars, and then you can also draw up from the corner to screenshot just like the Apple Pencil would. You just don't get the bonus features like pressure sensitivity and tilt functionality, which is, you know, two big things for like artists and, you know, enthusiasts and people who really want those features. But if you don't need those features, like I said, this is a fine stylus. It works proper for the basic functions. So yeah, that is it, the Rena pencil. Hopefully you liked this video, and hopefully this video helped you. Yeah, that's it for now.